Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add music to RadioBOSS. RadioBOSS is a program we use for radio streaming or internet radio streaming. It's a very simple program to use, it's very user friendly, it's got a couple different tools that we're going to be talking about in the next couple of videos. But for now I'm going to be showing you the most important thing would be how to add music. So there's two ways you can go about this. When you open the program on the left hand side there's a little library or folder icon. You click on it and it'll open up your file explorer. And here you would just find the music. In this case I have a few songs in the music folder. So we just click faded instrumental music. We can double click it. We can click on them and we can drag them. And then lastly what we can do is we can open up the folder here. And let's say you open up the documents folder, the downloads, or the music folder. You can highlight them and drag them and it'll automatically add it to the queue. Or you can click on exactly just one and add it to the queue. So there's basically three different ways to add music. You can go by the file explorer here in RadioBOSS. Then you can click on it or double click them, and then you can just go by the file explorer in your computer. Normally people like to use their own computer because you load up a USB, you have let's say a folder of 100 songs, you just click them, you highlight them, you add them to the folder, and you're basically ready to go. This was basically one of the first videos of the RadioBOSS playlist that we're going to go ahead and create. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave in the comments below, and you have a great day.